DataZero's Power Hour Bonanza. Can I bring GameStop back? Can I bring GameStop back? DataZero, will he bring GameStop back to the green side? Can I bring GameStop back? Can I bring GameStop back? Can I bring GameStop back? It's like a super rainy day today for me. They probably dumped all their short shares. That's what I thought. Do. Spy goes up. Memes go down. Spy goes up. Memes go down. Spy goes up. Memes go down. I have not been deleting my white dotted lines. XRP coming back! XRP fighting for $3. XRP fighting for $3. XRP fighting for $3. Bitcoin tracking, but what else is new? Of course Bitcoin is tracking. Bonanza! This could be a possible double bottom on Bitcoin. Bottom one, bottom two. Ethereum back at 3.6. This is bullish. It's raining right now. It normally doesn't even rain this long in Florida. So there must be like a storm or something close by. I bought a wreck Lamborghini. Oh, I have to watch this later. I have to watch this later. I've always wanted to buy a wrecked supercar and try to fix it, but I do know by fixing Audis that supercars are really hard to fix. So I don't know if I could do it. Stop trying to hem me up. That's how you gotta do them, bro. You gotta do them dirty, bro. You gotta do the feds dirty. You gotta know your laws, bro. You gotta know your laws. I know all my laws. Stop trying to hem me up, bitch. I know all my laws. In order to detain me, you must have reasonable probable suspicion of me committing a crime. Anytime you go to a cop, the first thing you say is, "Officer, what is your name and badge number?" Second, "Officer, am I being detained?" If I'm not being detained, then I'm free to leave. If I'm being detained, then I vote my amendment to the Fifth Amendment, which means I do not answer any questions. If you want to detain me, then you must have reasonable articulable suspicion of me committing a crime. Reasonable articulable suspicion means that you must be able to reasonably articulate, you must be able to reasonably say why you feel or suspect me of committing an offense of a penal code, which is a law. Guys, I did another Fortnite clip. Another Fortnite clip. He's back. You guys watch my Fortnite clip. Right here it is. See how it ends here. Do, 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 do. GameStop about to go green because I got online. I couldn't let GameStop go red. I had to bring it back. I had to bring it back. Yo, this beat is so sick. Do-do-do-do. Hit the like button, hit the like button, hit the like button. Silent Ninja in the building.
Oh my god, well fed?
No, I'm good, brother. I'm good, bro. I'm just chilling today. Streaming 7 days a week can get tiring, brother. Or 6 days a week. You guys gotta remember, I stream 7 to 6 days a week. So some days you just gotta chill. AMC at $2. Yeah, XRP costs more than AMC. I gotta constantly produce content for the machine. Did you guys know that the necklace I wear is two-tone gold? It's yellow and white gold. My necklace is two-tone. Got the two-tone! Got the two-tone! This joint's fire! I need this! I need this! This on fire! Semi-solid? Oh, semi-solid. Get the fuck out of here with that. Get out of here. No way am I paying $3,500 for a semi-solid. And then you got people making payments on this thing? You're insane. I will never wear fake jewelry, cuz. You'll never see me wear no fake. The two-tone is sick, but you'll never see me wear no fake. Semi-solid bullshit. This joint looks fake. Oh, the half silver, half gold? Ew. Or the half white gold, half yellow gold. That's kind of sick. Two-tone stainless steel. Get out of here, bruh. Gold only. Gold only, brother. And it must be 100% solid gold, bruh. That's what I told the jeweler. I said, I want something sick. I want something that is complete gold. I don't want nothing plated, no bullshit like that. And I told her I need a starter piece. I said, I'm not a rapper. I just need a nice little starter piece. And you already know girls can pick out the best stuff. It's pouring outside. I have really good fashion sense, but girls can pick out the best stuff. So I went to the jeweler. I found which one I wanted to talk to. Walked up to her. I said, ma'am, I need a necklace today. I need a necklace. We're not talking about price. I'm talking about a necklace, all right? I want something fly, but nothing too fly. Yeah, look at Amy Barcode. Look at her barcode! She's been barcoding all day. Why do you think I haven't been online? Plus SPY down, or SPY's up, so screw it. But I'm glad Bitcoin's up 1.5%. Bitcoin is actually breaking above sloping support and resist. Bitcoin is tracking, bro. Bitcoin's about to break above sloping support, blast off. Ma'am, I need a necklace. I need that two-tone rose gold. Yo, where are all my Bitcoin holders? Bitcoin is back. Lando, what up, brother? You can't scan shit? Oh, the barcode is my, yeah, let me know if it works. The barcode is my Cash App and my PayPal, bro. I'm pretty sure the PayPal one works. I'm not sure if the Cash App one works. But that's my Cash App and my PayPal. That's if anybody wants to send private donations or buy the Discord, brother. So they can send private donations via PayPal or Cash App because it gets it takes out less money than YouTube. YouTube takes half of all super chats. Any possibility of Roaring Kitty coming back? Hell nah, bro. That boy ran off into the sunset with a milli. He ain't coming back for nobody. Bro's rich and happy. Why would you come back to the madness? If you made $1 million off of meme stocks, would you come back? Yeah, YouTube takes half of all super chats, and then on top of that, I have to pay taxes on it. But I understand why YouTube does it, because YouTube has to have a lot of operating costs. I'm sure it does, to run all these servers and keep all the devs employed and stuff like that. So I see why they do it, but YouTube's a half is a little much, and then still having to pay taxes on it is insane. Which reminds me, I gotta message these guys. I need 2 emails. Yo, why does my kid look exactly like me, bro? It's insane.
Classic, you crazy.
Everything from his body to everything, bro, looks exactly like me. His shape, the body shape, to his face, to his mouth, to his nose, everything looks like me, bro. My genes is strong, baby. When is it too old for a guy to have a kid? I can't get over the fact that I talked to a fidelity agent that sounded just like you. Maybe he was me. I'm well versed in finance. Unlike most people in the stock market, I actually know what I'm talking about. XRP just broke $3. XRP just broke $3. XRP just broke $3. Yo, I could never be pressed about no bitch. Like, all the girls in my past, I'm doing better than them. Like, all my exes, I'm doing better than them. I could never be pressed about a girl from my past. And if you're pressed about a girl from your past, bro, you need to let that go. All the girls from my past want to be with me. They want me back because I'm rich now. And I wasn't rich then. Actually, I'm not rich. I'm very poor, but I have more money than I had in the past. I'm on the lower end of the poor spectrum. Okay, first super chat of the day. I didn't expect very many super chats for a power hour live stream. Let's go. LPSN. Let's see what we got here. Liver person. Looks like we made a prediction on this before. I thought I saw a white dotted line. Right here I made one. And it played out. Now let's see what we got. Okay, right now it's being squeezed, bro. It's gonna go up a little bit higher than pull back. It's gonna go up to it's gonna go up to like 130, 150, then pull back. This is very dangerous though. It's a lot of risk and not a lot of reward. So this stock will go up a little bit higher. To confirm that it is going to go up higher, you want to see it break $1.36. If it breaks $1.36, then you have a chance for $1.58. I think that it's going to go higher and then pull back. So you'll probably see like a pop to the upside and then a sharp drop down. Every time you look at him, all you see is me. Thank you for the 5-piece, bro. That's my LPSN, bro. Careful, though, because it could definitely pull back. Yeah, see that Rocket Lab stock? Somebody asked me about this yesterday. I told you guys it's going to pull back, but it looks like it's going to pop higher now. But I told you guys it would pull back, and that's exactly what we're seeing on Rocket Labs. I literally said it would pull back to pop. Looks like this lunar stock still tracking. Could come down as low as like 1050 or 850. Hopefully GameStop goes green on the day. Hopefully GameStop goes green. What up, Bob? How you been, bro? I don't think you've been around for a while, man. How you been? pull up in a spaceship, and some new shit, and some new whip. Yeah, with a new bitch. Yeah, I'm on my new shit. Yeah, I'm on my rude shit. You know what it be? R.I.P. Anybody who try to come at me, you know what it be? I'm chilling, dog. I love it when OGs come back around. We actually blasted off from literally one person all the way up to 78 people instantly. It's insane. You guys are a blessing. Thank you. AMC will go higher when granted. Yo, who got the most points? Todd. Todd is the number one crown right now. Todd is the number one crown right now. Yeah, they're shorting AMC heavily. Nothing new. XRP at 301. XRP at 301. XRP eating through the sell orders. You see that red block right there? That's sell orders. XRP is eating through that. So XRP about to blast past $3 potentially. Yeah, I know. And that shows the desperation because they shouldn't be shorting at a stock that's so low. They should be closing their positions, not opening up new ones. Press like, y'all. Press like, press like, press like, press the like button. Press the like button right now. Yeah, they're doing it because when the market crashes on the 7th, they're going to be screwed. It's getting to be crazy. Come on, GameStop, go green. We gotta break back over this line, because if we don't, that's bad. Bro, we're probably going to be flat trending down in the earnings because we shouldn't even be going down at this point, bro. We have buy orders and everything. Like, it doesn't, bro, literally nothing makes sense right now on AMC. They're literally shorting it so hard that I don't even want to explain it, dude. I don't even want to explain it. Look, we should be doing the same thing GameStop's doing. That's all I'm going to say. We should literally be doing the same thing GameStop's doing, and GameStop should actually be doing more than this. Guys, it is frustrating, the manipulation we see every day, because we really could see these stocks do insane numbers if they just were not manipulated. Like, GameStop really could just start going to, and it could happen at any time. We've seen it before, where they just start to take off because they start losing control. It happened here, and it happened here very, very clearly. They lost control, and the stock started to run, and there were short squeezes. 100% here, and 100% here. And what happened afterwards was a lot of volatility where you also could have traded and made a lot of money. You could have made a lot of money off of, let's say you bought the $20 low here and ran it up to $38. That's a 72% move in just a few days or just a few weeks. There was also this move after the squeeze, and it was following the fractal. It literally bounced back up. This was like 100 and something percent move, 175% move. There was also this rally when it came back down to the liquidity pocket and then rallied again 83%. Came back down to the liquidity pocket again, rallied 70%. We're back in the liquidity pocket again, guys. It's gonna rally again, bro. So the thing is, bro, we really could see these stocks just go to $100. It's not even unfathomable for GameStop to go to 100 if it just wasn't manipulated. If the buying pressure was just allowed to be real, if it wasn't dark pooled every single day, if it wasn't millions of short shares dumped on it every single day, if it wasn't algorithmic trading back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, we could see these stocks go bananas. But it is what it is. I'm hoping this is like a Bitcoin double bottom and we push back up. Dude, the box office is going insane, bro. If you wait till you see the movie on Friday. Wait till you see what I show you on Friday, guys. Wait till you see what I show you on Friday. I don't think you've ever seen an AMC more poppin' than what I've seen. I should interview people and say, do you guys want to be on an interview on my YouTube channel? I'll ask them that off camera, and then I'll ask them like, hey, do you guys think movie theaters are dying? And then that will also be a great way to get my channel out there, because they'll be like, oh, what channel is it? And I'll be like, DataZero, check it out. Damn it, I'm slacking on that. Gotta get interviews. There was a lot of people, and they were looking at me because I was filming, and they heard me say like and subscribe and stupid shit like that, so they knew I was YouTubing. I said my necklace was two-tone. My charm is two-tone. My necklace is just yellow gold. So correction from earlier, guys. All right, we got 91 people. Our goal is to try to get 100 people before power hour's over. So everybody share the link right now, please. Share the live stream right now. We got less than 30 minutes remaining. Our goal is to get 1,000 people in the building. Share my link on Weeble, Twitter, Instagram. I'll give you the link to share right here. Just say, hey, check out this stock and crypto news. Or say, hey, live stock and crypto news. Or just share the link. I don't even care. But here, share this link and hit like right now. We're trying to get 100 people in here before the end. So I've only been live for like an hour, right? So we're going to try to get 100 people in here. And I'm going to do facecam right now. Oh, it says error. What the freak? Come on. Come on. All right, that should be good. All right, we're live for the face cam. Okay, now share that link I just put. Alright, so GameStop's probably not going green. It's actually rejecting from the trend line. That's bad. Yeah, CoffeeZilla says you can't read the charts, but I'm telling you, what I do is real. There's no way it's not, bruh. I'm right too much. It's giving me time frames and price targets, which is like the most valuable thing you could ever have in the market. And if you study this shit like I do, you see that there's just patterns repeating, but there's also manipulation, right? There's also, this market is, you gotta be real, like you gotta be 100. This market is highly manipulated, guys. Maybe that's why they try to keep me a little bit low on the algorithm, because I spit at 100 with you guys. That market is highly manipulated, okay? Everything's manipulated. Even our beloved crypto, but there is less manipulation in crypto than in stocks. There's a reason for that, actually. One, because it's a little bit newer, but two, because everything's on the blockchain. You could see everything. But there's definitely whales, and there's always going to be that. You know what I mean? There's going to be people that strategically buy or sell at certain times. Large institutions, large holders that will create pumps and dumps. Either they'll sell or buy. SPY will probably start pulling back in the close as people take profits. Normally that's what happens. Last couple minutes here. I think we made it. I think we made it to 100. I think we made it to 100. It says we're at 117. So if you guys can, please share the live stream right now. Please share the live stream. You can just share the link I posted. Or you can go to the live stream and click share. And that's how you get the link. Share it on Twitter, Weeble, Facebook. Facebook is really valuable for me right now because I'm not able to post on Facebook. So anybody who could share it on Facebook, that would really help out. I'll put it on my Instagram. Where's my other unit? Where's the other unit? We got 15 minutes remaining. 15 minutes remaining. 15 minutes remaining. Hey, yo, make sure you check out my live stream. It's on right now. Let me just go grab that link. It says we got 115. So. We managed to snag up 100. We managed to snag up 100 right before. Pam, you made your money back? You already made your money back on? Wait, but I didn't call out SPY calls in the Discord. But there's other people helping in the Discord. Are you contributing the money made to Discord? That's all I need to know. Because Pam just joined the Discord, so we're going to see how she likes the Discord or not. I did call out SPY puts, but you just missed that one. We played SPY puts. I called out SPY puts here on the bear flag, SPY. We had a bear flag right here. I called out puts in the Discord. Doom. And I gave the perfect price target. Okay, screw it. She picked up the calls on those. She picked up the calls. Make sure you look at the dates though, because each trade has a date. Each trade has a date. I called out calls in the beginning of the week for the gap fill when SPY went up and filled the gap. I called out calls in the beginning of the week. So SPY had a gap fill to the upside, and I was like, yo, it's gonna rally to that gap, and it did. Damn it. Alright, well, what I was saying is, you could ask everybody. You could ask everybody in the community, out of all of the trades on the Discord, I think that I've only missed 2 of them. And there's hundreds of signals in the Discord. I've given out hundreds and hundreds of signals, and only 2 of them ever not miss. But yeah, blessings on blessings for you, Pam. You're welcome. People are scared to take action. They're scared to invest in themselves. And that's why they're not getting the bag. You got to invest in yourself. You got to take action. And the Discord definitely gotta go up in price because it's a money printer. My shit's the real deal. My shit is the real deal. You get all your bread back, plus so much more. Crypto's looking pretty good, man. Ada's still perfectly tracking on my prediction. It's actually making like a bull flag where it's gonna pop to the upside. Yeah, CoffeeZilla thinks this is not real. How do I make these predictions then, CoffeeZilla? Explain that to me. How do I make these predictions? How do I draw these lines that price seems to just follow? How do I do that, CoffeeZilla, if this shit ain't real? See, that insults me, bro, that he said that TA is, like, not real, bro. He said it's like astrology for stocks. He compared it to astrology. Bro, TA is fucking real, dog. And if you're not using charts and then data to make your investments, what the hell are you doing? You're just going to throw darts at the wall? I think this company's going to work. I think this company's going to work. I made too many crazy predictions, bro, to try to tell me that this shit's not real, bro. That's insulting. For someone to say, for someone with the audience as large as him to be saying that technical analysis is not real is insulting. That's absolutely ridiculous. How do you think I knew Bitcoin was going to go to $80,000 per coin back in 2022? Why do you think that these fractals can be pulled off of other time frames and they track for years or months. Look at the fractal. This fractal came from this rally here. Patterns repeat in the market. It's human psychology. If you actually break this down with science and statistic and logic, what you're doing with technical analysis is stacking statistics in your favor to make sure that the prediction that you are going to go with is right. Look how this pattern repeated throughout the whole time. How many times have you guys seen me go like this, right? All of my OG viewers, how many times have you seen me go like this? And you guys probably thought I was crazy at the time, but I would go like this, and I would say, hey, price target for this falling wedge is about 70 to 80K. And it gives you the time frame too. Look, it's right at that price at that time. Gives you a rough time frame and everything. I used to say it all the time. I'd be like, yo, it's going to 80K. It's going to 70K. All my OG viewers know it, bro. GameStop's rejecting off this trend line here. Oh, wait, no, it's only rejecting in the... because Weeble's lines move around. Stupid. All right, we're fine. We're fine. Rockets for GameStop. Rockets for GameStop. Make sure you guys follow me on Twitter and X and YouTube. Please follow, or Instagram. Please follow me on all of those places if you don't mind. All of it's linked in the comment section in the description. We have 5 minutes remaining, 5 minutes remaining, 5 minutes remaining. Damn, we got 1.5K views yesterday. That's dope. AMC's a buy for sure, dude, but honestly, if I'm 100% legit, I would probably put my money, like, split it. XRP and AMC. I would not go all in on AMC. Look at the RSI. The RSI is trending up while price is trending down. In fact, I tried to explain earlier, AMC should not be at this price. GameStop should be higher and AMC should not be at this price. It literally is breaking out of a falling wedge and then trending down. This makes no sense at all. But the fact that they dump freaking millions and millions and millions of short shares, they are getting so many shares. Maybe the people that were saying that institutions were loading up on AMC and GME to loan the shares out, maybe they were right. Maybe those people were right, because cost to borrow is lowering and shorting is going way higher. Guys, this is all going to culminate into something now. I'm telling you that right now. Something's going to break. Something is going to break. They better hope the market doesn't pull back August 7th. Something is going to break. Apes keep buying AMC and GME. There's mad demand for these stocks. It's ridiculous. Both of these stocks should truly be at thousands of dollars per share. It's actually insane how they robbed us. It's actually insane how they robbed us. both AMC and GME should be at thousands of dollars per share. Every single person, bro. Back AMC should literally be at like $3,000 per share, bro. It should have literally went up to $3,000. I kid you not, bro. Look at the OBV. The OBV tells the story. It should have went to like $3,000 and never came down. It literally should have just went insane and never came down, bro. Or should like fluctuated up there somewhere. Like everyone, I seen people have AMC stock on their freaking cars. I saw AMC license plates. 2020, bro, when it started to run. 2020, when it started to run. Yo, when it started to run, I was on a construction site. Everybody's phone starts blowing up. How the hell did that many people own a stock? People that never been in the stock market before and the stock not go to the freaking moon, bro. Everyone was buying AMC stock and holding it. Everyone. New accounts being opened on the daily, bro. The stock should have went somewhere crazy, bro. Crazy valuations if we had true supply and demand market, bro. It should have went straight to the moon, bro. And instead, they've been slowly diluting it out. Stealing all of that value on the back end. And people don't see that. People are like, oh, dilution's good, dilution's good, dilution's good. But, yeah, you can use dilution, but not every single day. Not every single week. You're stealing all of the value out of the back end of the stocks. You're stealing it all. GameStop just got a nasty pop. I'm telling you guys, GameStop's in the work for something. And when GameStop starts running, AMC is going to pump with it. And all of this shorting that they're doing is going to break, bro. Look, they're shorting more than ever on both of them. And they're dark pooling more than ever. Look at GameStop short volume. Look at this. Something's going to break. And GameStop keeps going up even though they dump a bunch of short shares on it. GameStop still keeps going up. I can't wait till GameStop goes back up to the gap fill. I'm just waiting. I cannot wait till GameStop goes back up to that gap fill. Yeah, that's what they do, guys. They rob the value out the back end of the stock using dilution. That's why the stocks are slowly trending down. That's why the squeezes are getting smaller. GameStop stock has a chance to start trending up again. GameStop stock has a chance to start trending up. Yeah, they're slowly diluting them away. Which means people can buy and buy and buy and buy. It won't matter. They're stealing all of that buying pressure with dilution. Doesn't matter if you keep buying up the float keeps getting bigger. It doesn't matter. You can buy as many shares as you want. There will always be shares because they'll keep diluting, making more. Keep printing it. It's like printing money. You print the US dollar, that's bad, right? Dilution is bad. It directly steals shareholder value. Just get that in your head. That's why Bitcoin is the best buy, I think, personally. That's why Bitcoin is the best thing you could ever buy. You know why? And this is why, not financial advice, every single person should have Bitcoin. And Bitcoin should be your savings account. Fuck a savings account because your savings account loses value. Yeah, obviously you should have cash on hand, duh. But Bitcoin is also a very liquid asset. But yes, you should have cash on hand. Obviously, you know, you need cash. That's how society still functioned on this archaic form. But anyways, Bitcoin, 21 million max supply ever. There will never ever be any more Bitcoin created. You will never ever hear Bitcoin CEO say Bitcoin is getting diluted. You know why? Because Bitcoin has no CEO. Bitcoin's not controlled by the US government. Bitcoin's not controlled by you. Bitcoin's not controlled by me. Bitcoin's not controlled by the whales. Bitcoin is not controlled by anybody. It has 21 million coins only. And this is why you slowly, not financial advice, want to accumulate BTC. This is where your dollars will remain valuable. Your dollars will turn to more dollars because it's always going to take more dollars of the funny money, monopoly money. It's always going to take more dollars to print. As they're printing, it's always going to take more dollars. More as there becomes less and less BTC available. Oh, and just wait till all of the BTC gets mined, and then it's over for real. AMC closed at 278. GameStop closed at 2281, which is literally flat on the day. SPY closed at 632.70. Bitcoin's at 115,228. Ethereum's at 3,678. Cardano 8 of 74 cents. XRP, one of our favorites as well. My second biggest holding. $3. Bitcoin is over 50% of my portfolio. And it worked out for me. I'm not selling my Bitcoin until like 2030. And maybe even beyond that. I might just hold my Bitcoin until I retire. BTC would be diluted. You literally can't, bro. I don't think you understand. You literally can't, bro. Once the 21 million coins are mined, that's it. You cannot make more Bitcoin. You literally can't. It's hard coded into the protocol. See, that's what people don't understand. Cryptocurrency is not, you don't understand the technology. Cryptocurrency is not cryptocurrency. It should not be called cryptocurrency. All cryptocurrency is an internet protocol, the same as HTTPS. Okay? And the same way that HTTPS is hard-coded, Bitcoin is hard-coded. It would literally take, and we've looked this up before, it would literally take a consensus vote from everybody who owns Bitcoin to vote on it, and then it would make a hard fork because you would have you would still have your Bitcoin that has the 21, and then you would have the diluted Bitcoin, which nobody would do. We've already looked this up, bro. We've already looked this up. And what the AI came back with and what internet came back with is it would literally, and this is what I know to be true, because this is how Bitcoin runs, it would take all of the people that own Bitcoin to have a consensus vote on that. And then even if it did get voted yes, it would make a hard fork where you have your Bitcoin Classic and you have your new, similar to Ethereum. It would be how there's Ethereum Classic and there's Ethereum. That's a hard fork. That's a hard fork. So Ethereum Classic is the original Ethereum. Okay? And Ethereum is actually a newer version of Ethereum. It's like Ethereum 2.0. So if that ever were to happen, you would see like a Bitcoin Classic and then like whatever diluted Bitcoin, which people buy Bitcoin because it has 21 million coins. Why would anyone vote to dilute it? That's so dumb. That's so dumb. And even if they did it with hard fork, you would still have the Bitcoin with the 21 million coins. How would you even vote? You can vote. You vote through. I've done it using Algorand. So, I don't know how Bitcoin does it, but I voted on consensus before on Algorand, and you do it straight through your wallet and a website. You send some Algorand to prove that you have it into a pool, and then you can vote. And then once you vote, all of the Algorand is released, and you get a little bit of extra back because they stake it. That's how Algorand does it anyways. And I voted for Algorand before. I've never had a Bitcoin vote because there's never been a Bitcoin vote. There's never been like anything like that. But Algorand does it quite frequently. And that's actually how they stake as well. So you send your Algorand. You don't have to send it all, but you send some to the I think they call it a consensus pool. And then you go to the website, and it takes a few days, and then it allows everyone a few days to get in. And then once you get in, you can vote. There's a few day time where you can vote. And then you make your vote, and then when it's all done, then a couple days later, it unlocks your Algorand, and you get it back plus interest. I think the blockchain votes are a lot better. Everything's on the blockchain, bro. It's a real vote. Everything's accounted for on the blockchain. Blockchain is a public ledger. That's all that is. That's all that is. So when you think blockchain, think piece of paper that everyone can read. Every single transaction made on the blockchain is documented. So when you hear the word blockchain, that's all you have to think is public ledger. Piece of paper that everyone can read. Even simpler. Except the piece of paper's on the internet. You don't have to hope I'm right. You don't take my word for it. Look everything up that I'm saying. Please, nobody take anything that I'm saying at face value. Do your own research and do your own due diligence. Please, I implore you guys to do your own research and do your own due diligence. But you don't have to hope I'm right. I've done the research. I know. That's why Bitcoin has continued to go up, and it will continue to go up, and that's why Bitcoin has been one of the best performing assets ever. This has been one of the best performing assets in the entirety of mankind. It keeps making new highs. Every single dollar that I've put into Bitcoin, every single dollar that I've ever bought of Bitcoin has turned into more dollars. All I had to do was wait. Even when I was just getting into the game and I was buying here and 55K, maybe even 58K, I don't know. Maybe I did buy 58K. All of that became more. Accumulating Bitcoin was worth it. And now we have institutions and BlackRock and GameStop and hedge funds and wealth funds and wealth management funds all buying Bitcoin. And now we have legislation in the USA that lends legal clarity to Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. This is why I think we might see something special in BTC and we might just explode. Fractal says it's the top, and we're gonna pull back like a mini bear market, and then we're gonna make a new high. That's what Fractal says. But there's a chance that we see something special. We are tracking with the Fractal pretty good though, so Fractal might play out. We'll see. Even if Fractal plays out, we're still gonna hit 125K later down the road when we get this last pop to drop. But there's a chance if we hold 110, 115, that we actually pop back to the upside here. We track with this prediction, and we go where no one thought we could go, past 125. We go to like 150 and we don't come down. We go to 150 and then we next time we do crash, it's gonna be to 120, 115K. We'll crash down to that, and then you're never gonna see Bitcoin underneath $100,000 again. And if that happens, life will be good. And with that, guys, that was the DataZero live stream for today. XRP is my second biggest holding. That's all I'm going to say. Yo, thank you, Todd, for the super chat, man. I appreciate you, bro. Didn't expect much for the power hour stream, so I appreciate you for that. Good luck on your trades. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe on the way out. I appreciate anybody still watching right now. I'm only selling GameStop if it goes to $40 plus. I have shares in the money right now, bro. I have shares in the money right now in GameStop. Amy will come back. Amy will rock it when you least expect it. And I know this. AMC! I told you she'll pump when you least expect it. Something's gonna break soon, I'm telling you guys. You'll see. I don't even care. Watch. When the AMC pumps, you'll be mad. Everyone will be mad that they didn't buy at these low prices. Low. Alright guys, I'm out of here, y'all. This was DataZero Power Hour Bonanza. Like and subscribe. Put one in the air for AMC. Smoke one, drink one, even Easter pink one. AMC to the, yeah. Yeah, I gotta keep my sciatica in check, bro. I have to do stretches and push-ups. I be making too many videos. I gotta keep content going for the machine, man. If not, YouTube would knock me out of the algorithm. I'm probably already getting punished for only streaming for an hour today. They're probably gonna punish me for that. Alright, y'all. See y'all later, man. Peace. Thanks for anybody who's still watching. I said only streaming an hour. It's already closer to 2 hours. Look how Amy barcoded, bro. That's so drawing. All that pressure got built up and released here, bro. That's what that is. All that barcoding that they did, that's all of that action happening now in after hours. That's why this is happening. This is why you can't keep manipulating. You can only manipulate so much before shit gets out of your control. See you guys.